I have some LUTs on my store. They are color grading profile that you can use to change the look of your video. Those are the profile I use in my video, and you can download them for free. And but maybe not many people know how to use them. You can pretty much use this profile on many applications, but I will show you how to apply the LUT on Premiere Pro. It's really easy, so I'm gonna show how to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to apply the LUT on Premiere Pro. I will open a project. I will open my last video. So what I usually do is I put an adjustment layer at the top of my video. What is an adjustment layer? If you go in new item, you will see adjustment layer. You click and we create a new one. Just leave all the options like this. They should be the same option that you have in the sequence. So you have the new adjustment layer. You drag this layer at the top of your video like this, and then I will resize it to cover all my video like this. Okay, now what you can do with the adjustment layer is you can change colors without going through every single clip. So you do this one time for all your clips. So you select the adjustment layer, and then we go to the lumetri color. If you don't see the lumetri color in your effect on control, you can add it. Just search for lumetri control. No, there's no lumetri control. So you have to look for lumetri color. So if you search lumetri color, there you have the effect. You drag the effect into the track. So now when you have it, you can go to lumetri color. Now what we need here is only creative. We don't have to change anything in basic correction, at least not for now. So we go in creative, and you see here there is the look, where you can actually select your LUT profile. You can see here that Premiere Pro give you some preset already that you can use. They're quite nice. And also you can import, you can use other LUT from external source. So in this case, I'm gonna use my LUT. So I click browse here, and here I have my my LUT I can choose from. So you just click on one of them, winter. I will go with my winter profile. So you can see now the picture changed. I will show you the comparison. You see, this is the without LUT, this is with LUT. Also, you can see below the look, you have the intensity. By default is 100%, and I suggest you to reduce it. It might be a little stronger, 100. I also suggest to take a look at all your video, because it might look different depending on your clip. And you can see you can also go over to 100, but I highly discourage doing that. Usually I just leave at 75 or 80%. So usually 100% is always a little strong, and it's just not for my profile, it's also true for other LUT as well. So it's always better to reduce it a little bit, the intensity. And now if you like this, you don't have to touch anything, but most of the time you might need to do some correction, and so you should go to basic correction and change stuff here. So you should change maybe contrast, I don't know, saturation, maybe exposure. Probably the exposure should be changed by clip by clip. Maybe you already know that, but before applying LUT profile, always do white balance. What is white balance? Is correcting the white and black, how they looks like. Let's say that this is your original video, how it looks like in how you shoot it in your camera. It have this yellowish color everywhere. Even the white, it doesn't look white, it's yellowish. In order to do the white balance, you have to click on the clip. Then we go to the lumetri color in the basic correction, and you will see the white balance here. You can use the white balance selector that he will try how to do auto white balance, and if it doesn't work, you have to do manually you have to move the temperature and the tint. I will show you how to do a correct white balance. What you want to achieve is having the skin color, having a correct skin color. So you don't want a face that looks like green or orange. You click on the clip, and then in the opacity filter, I make a mask that take only the skin color. And then if you go in the lumetri scopes here, the vector scope, you see the skin color, and it should always be along this line. So this line is between the yellow, red, and cyan and blue, and it should always match this. So if you see, if I start moving the tint, you will see the color moving, but we want the color just right here. You can play with the temperature it's mostly subjective. If you want a more cold scene or more hot scene, and then you remove the mask. Changing the temperature, it changes the color for the entire clip, for the entire scene. Sometimes you want to make the scene warmer, but you want to keep the skin color more natural. And in order to do that, what you can do is changing the temperature first, and then you have to go to the color wheel and match, and go to and change the midtones. Midtones is where the skin color is, so you can do the same. I will do the masking again, and then here you can reduce a little bit. Maybe you want to make the skin a little more blue like this. Perfect. So we remove the mask and we are done. And we don't have any more things to do here, so hope you will enjoy the LUT profile. It's quite easy to use them, and have a nice day. See you.